Hi again, everyone. In this second video, I'm going to talk about how once you've scheduled a meeting, you can start that meeting and a little bit of what you can do in the meeting. So I assume you've already scheduled the meeting after watching my last video. So you don't have to go to schedule a meeting again. You should be able to click over here where it says meetings and find the meetings that you just set up. So remember in the last video I set up recurring meetings. So now they're all showing up here, which is really awesome. And I can start this first one. Notice it isn't Monday, March 23rd yet, but I can start it now if I want to. In real life, I will wait till Monday, March 23rd to start this meeting. So I'm going to hit start the meeting. And then you see it says open Zoom. Zoom wants to open this application. So I'm going to hit open Zoom. And my Zoom meeting will begin. So it's connecting. And once it connects, I see my own face in this screen normally, but since I'm video recording, my face is not also going to show up here. Oops, oh well. So I can make my screen a little bigger so I can see it. You would normally see my face here. And look at all these buttons at the bottom of the screen. These are awesome buttons. You can share your screen from this button, right? You can make a cute virtual background from this button next to the video camera. But the most important thing is there are two most important things. One is to share your screen, and the other is to do the chat. If you hit the chat button, and normally you'd see that. Let me open my screen up a little bit more. Here we go. So yeah, normally you'd see the chat button when your screen is all the way open. You want to click on the chat button so the chat bar shows up on the side, and so that you can see what everybody is saying. And you can type messages down here, or they can type you messages. Notice how the bottom ribbon goes away when I cursor out and comes back when I cursor in. So, and if I hit this chat button again, the chat bar on the side disappears. Ooh, right? For the share screen button, you click on the green share screen button and you can choose the whiteboard if you want to write on the whiteboard. You can choose to just share your own screen, in which case you can open a Word file and share the Word file with people. That's about all I'm going to show you in terms of buttons. I encourage you to practice yourself, and I'm going to close the Zoom screen now and end the meeting, right? So I click on the X at the top of the screen that ends the meeting for everyone. And that's about it. Please, again, feel free to ask me questions.